How to change account name on Binance Wallet. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change account name on Binance. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Binance app on your device and make sure that you are logged in. And once you are inside the app, simply tap on the Binance logo located at the top left corner of your screen. And then in this interface, you can simply tap on your username. And this will take you to the new interface. And here you can simply tap on edit button next to your username. And in the nickname section, you will be able to change your username. Remember, it's not best to use your real name or social media account's name. So enter the name that you want to change. And once you have entered your desired username, simply hit save and confirm it by tapping on continue. And after confirming it, your new username will be set. And that's it. This is how you can change your account name on Binance Wallet. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.